We'll guide you through how to fix your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con buttons not working. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, go and open up your system settings, as there's a few things we can try. And what you need to do is scroll all the way down to System. And what we want to do is make sure the console is up to date. So click there and it'll then do a check. If there's anything available, go and do it. Then what you can do is go into controllers and sensors, and we can also go and update our controllers. Click there and it will then go and see if there's anything available. For me though, they're up to date. If there were any available updates, then you can go and test the buttons and go and see if they're now working. If they still aren't, then what I recommend you do is you go and restart your Switch, hold the power button on top, and you'll then be taken to a power options screen. Click on power options and click on restart. And the process will then go and begin. After your Switch restarts, then go and see if the problem is still occurring. If it is, go to your system settings and then scroll right to the bottom again, click on controllers and sensors, and you need to scroll down until you see test input devices. Click there and click on test controller buttons. And then what you need to do is start going through your different buttons and seeing which one isn't working. Once you've then found which one isn't working, what you want to do is you can just go and disconnect it like so. And then what we need to do is go and start giving it a good clean. So we've got a few different options of what you could use here. You could go and use a soft brush, a toothbrush, a card, or something thin, which you can just go and get into the corners, because if it's stuck down or it just isn't quite working right, it's likely something causing that. And then what you can do is start to sort of get it in there like so, and you can just work any sort of debris out or anything which could be causing the problem. I'll go and use the end piece to get around the corner. Ideally a brush works best, but as you can see I am really getting in all the cracks, which is ideal. After you've given it a good clear, hopefully you have gone and freed it if it was sticking or something like that, and then you can go and reattach it. And you can go and see if the problem was then fixed, and you can go and do this test again and go and see if you've now resolved the problem. And hopefully you will have. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.